What's up, guys? And I'm back again with another video. Now, guys, I just want to show you how can you animate clouds, just moving clouds. um Let me try to show you guys. So the first thing I'll do, I'll just try to create a little bit of let me say a dry area. Click OK. Just think of like a background color. Let's click around here. Now let's go for a solid color right now. I feel like I'm gonna go for a solid color, a little bit of a blue. A lot will be happening here. Just click this one. Just put it like that for now. Then I click this one. I click let me click solid over ground. Change fill. I want it to be a little bit brown. Click OK. So what do I have to do right now? We can use this. Just just try to just try to you can just shape it as you do it. Let's try here. Let's write O. Let's just write that and write 1, which generally means mountain 1. We can just hold it and we push it downwards, and we can just click Ctrl C, Ctrl V just to duplicate that, and we gotta put it around this area. Then we rename it mountain 2. Then we can just click change fill. Click there. We can change the color of this mountain to be like the ground. We don't want something spicy for now. We'll see as time goes by. But for the second one, I see like that's not a color that I want. I can just click there, change it. Then after this one, you go a little bit downwards, so that the color of the mountain can be a little bit stronger, but still the same color. So another thing I want to do, I want to change my background a little bit. I want to change it a little bit. No, I think that's one. This one is a little bit exactly what I want. Then I'll just add another mountain around this area. So this color of the mountain will be like just like what I did previously. Just select this one, just move it now a little bit to the left side. It's not the same color, but let's say mount 2 to bigger 1. So we can change the color again a little bit. You know what we can do? We can just select this, and here we can just select that, and here we can just remove it and just reselect it. Just hold it a little bit backwards. Here we can just select just like that. Select just like that. Okay, that's what we have so far. Now we can, do you know what we can do right now? we can just group those two mountains under the same mountain. Take all this one, put it on there. Now I'm just thinking what I can do. Okay, I'm running out of ideas. I'm running out of ideas, guys, for real. Just to be honest with you guys, I'm running out of ideas. Can you please do help me? What I have to do right now from now? What do I have to do? What I Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, let me just take this one and just I thought like just click the circle. Gen. What is happening? Just double click there. Double click right sun. Change color fill. So now we'll go for the gradient. Someone will say like what it's saying like doesn't make no sense. It does. Okay, actually it's okay. Let me just go for this side. I'll go for a strong kind of a yellow. Then below I'll go for a little bit of a red. Just hold it like that, and you can just turn it a little bit like that. um, then what else I can create? Okay, I can create a little bit of it. Let me just try to create what can I create? Okay, let me just come to draw. You gotta be a little bit talented when you want to use a draw tool. Okay, I think what I want to do, it will look great. So let me do it. I was just trying to see what I'm trying to do. Will it look great? So just do it like that. Just make it a little bit close to one another until you come to the towards the end. Just do the same thing. Okay. Now just double click that. You just name it road. Select this, click this, and you do it like that. Just make sure like your road doesn't fly. That's what I'm doing right now, and it is on the same kind of a linear line. See, guys. Now we're getting a little bit closer to what we want to do, of which I don't even know. Just click a little like that. Change the fill immediately. Just write it. inner. um then I just take it again, then I put it around this area. I zoom in. mm, Instead of copying it again, I think I have to redraw it. And say road inner second point 4 is 1 2 3 second point 3. I'll rename this, select this one, rename it 2. Then you come to this one, select it first, and you change the color fill. So just to make sure like the inner color is the same, just select from the previous one. Then you can draw, like you can actually just click Ctrl C Ctrl V from that one, and here you just have to be like that. So then you rename it, and write 4 towards the end. Okay, so we can gonna drag this and put it first we drag the road inner to one road inner, any you prefer, it doesn't matter. Then you drag this road inner to that one, then we close it like that. So now this is what we have so far. So so the first thing that I would love to do is to animate my sign. Then I just zoom it like this. So from here to here, I'll just add like a little bit of a filler point. Then I'll just put it around here. Now just add a position from the beginning. Where's my first second? And so my last second, I add another position there. Then I'll just show like I'm here towards like the end part. So that's my first animation. So another thing that I would love to animate, I would love around this area my capacity to start a little bit of fading out. I want it here to be 100. I don't want to do anything on that position, but towards this area I want it to be around 80. This can add a little bit of an effect, although like you won't be able to see it. This will add a little bit of a fade on your sun. Good. Okay. So my sun is moving very fast. Okay, so I gotta take this and push it straight to the back. Good. So let me click on my settings. Let me just put it around 1.5 now. Let me just put it around 1.5. Okay, let me first Control Z. Before I put it around 1.5, I gotta take my sun, put it around 110 first, then click there. I change my duration to 1.5, 15 seconds. Okay, then I gotta take this, I put it straight to my where the sign start to disappear, Then I can put it around this area, then I play it for the last time. Okay, I think now it's gonna be the good thing. Put it straight there towards the end. Towards the end. This one you want it to be here. Okay, so far we are going good with our sun. So after animating our sun, we gotta start acting animating our bed. Okay, so for our beds, what will I do for the beds? um so I just try to zoom towards the corner. um then just try to create like a bed kind of a shape. uh, just have like a bed shape in your mind. The name, let's call it the first bed. It will be hard to animate a lot of beds, oh my god. So this one is gonna be here. um, I want it to fly until this area. Okay, now I gotta come straight to the beginning. I gotta add the position of the bed, obviously. I gotta move the bed around. um, Let me go to around 5 seconds first. I see. I'll drag it and I'll come and put it here. So the bed is not flying yet, the bed is just moving. That is very very slow. Around this position the bed should be around already there. Okay, so there's one thing that we gotta do right now. Fly there. So we gotta change what. Okay, I feel like the sun actually needs to be. Guys, don't ever do everything on a single layer. I'm telling you, don't do things on a single layer. Now you will be just confused like me. Okay. So now we're gonna take this. We're gonna change this a little bit like this. Just try to zoom in. You see, even this side we gotta do the same thing. We take this, we move it this side, we take this, we're moving it this side. Guys, I hope you're trying to understand what I'm trying to do. Just like that. Then okay, you can go backwards, this some out. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. So now we gotta add another part around this area. As you already know, our part shall be going down right now. This side we don't have to change that much. This side we gotta not change that much. Then we're gonna copy this point, just select it, Control C, Control V. Then what I have to do right now is just to copy this same thing. I have to copy this point, Control C, Control V. Which one is it? Okay, that I love both of those points. I just copy them, Control C, Control V, Control C those points, just bring them backwards, Control C, Control V, just hold them, just give them a little bit of a space, Control C, Control V, just Control C, click Control C, Control V, Control Z, select both of them. You want to move both of them. Just zoom in a little bit. Okay, let's go backwards again. Let's zoom it again. Okay, our bird is flying, but now I want it when it comes to this mountain, I need to mask that mountain, and that's one thing that I'm not yet good at. So what I will do, from this area I want it to turn. Okay, I'm gonna add a position there. So the first thing I'll have to do, just click Control, just hold everything, then you turn it like this, you know, just you hold it like that side, you know. Then your position is also on, then you come around the second, you zoom in, you want it to fly, to come around here, then you turn it like that, add a little bit of a position there, you add a little bit of a position there, then let's go it back. So now we can see from this area it go fast until it's reach this position. So we gotta kill this point, we gotta kill that specific point. So now we gotta just select this, Control C, Control V. We don't have to make it like sometimes like the bird doesn't like fly, doesn't like move its wings every time. I don't know if you guys do understand what I'm trying to say. So I don't have to do this thing every time. I don't have to make it wings to move every time. Okay. Let me play it one more time. So I would love it to disappear around this area. I love my bed, and I would love it to turn a little bit this side, and I would love it to disappear. So I would like to go back a little bit. I love it from here to turn that side, and I would like to add a part there. Seems like I didn't add any part. Seems like I didn't add any part. I want to add a part here where I'm gonna zoom it, then I turn it like that. It seems as it doesn't turn, so I gotta add a position on the on an anchor. So I gotta add an anchor here. Okay, let's do it. So I feel like there's a position where it starts to move fast. So from this area, there's a position. I think I have to delete this position. You have to go back and forth. I want it around this position just to, I want my bed to change its direction, so I gotta, let me just try to, but I wanted to move the entire thing. I'm not sure that the rotate button will actually make what like I ever did, or be able to do what I wanted to do. Okay, let's play it from the get go and see. Good, this is exactly what I wanted. Okay, okay, like yeah, the rotate button did work. Okay, um, guys, I think that's all for today. How long did it take us to do this one? What's up, guys? I believe that's all for today. Um, this, guys, is how you make a bed fly on Express Animate by NCH Software. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Does our sun still move? Does our sun still move? Just to be honest, or I'm doom. Okay, actually, still move, but it's moving very slow. I can see now. I can see now. It's moving very slow. What about we take this? How will it look if we did that? How will it look? It doesn't make no difference. But anyway, guys, this is how like you create like a flying bird. This is how you fly your bird on Express and Animate, and it pretty looks great, guys. It pretty looks scary. It pretty looks great. It's to the animation, and thank you, guys. I'll see you on the next episode. We'll be like doing a lot of Express and Animate videos right now. So just stay tuned, guys. Leave the comments on what I shall be doing next. Feel blessed that you see. I'll see you next time. Blessed. Don't forget to subscribe.